friends, I'm Suhas. Today I'm going to show about my online maze generator. So let's start. When I click on online maze generator image, here you can see 9 buttons, right? So let's start. When I click on L1, it moves L shape. When I click on L2, it moves reverse L shape. When I click on L3, it moves reverse 7. When I click on L4, it moves reverse L because turn to right. When it's straight, it moves 7. When I click on line, it moves front. When I click on jump back, it comes back without drawing anything. When I click on rotate left, it rotates left. When I click on rotate right, it rotates right. When I click on jump front, it moves front without drawing anything. So, if you like my video, give me a like and subscribe and give me a comment below. Thank you for watching my video.